Welcome back to all of you. Today we are going to listen about the story title is Beauty and the Beast. This is very interesting and popular story. Let's start now. Bella loves reading books. Gaston, a hunter from a small town, wonders why she doesn't love him instead. Bella thinks he's boring and selfish. When Belly's father gets lost in the woods, he finds a cattle owned by a scary beast. Belle bravely set out to save him. The beast frightened Belly, but she loves his father so much. She takes his place and promises to stay with the beast forever. Belle is lonely until she discovers the enchanted objects living in the cattle. They become her friends. One day, Belly finds a magical rose. The spell on the cattle and all who live there will break only when the beasts learn to love and find someone to love him in return. Slowly, Belly and Beast spend more time together. Belly sees a side of the beast that she has not seen before. The beast cares for the Belly so much that when his magic mirror reveals her father in trouble, the beast tells Belly to go to him. Belly returns to town and rescue father. Hearing Belly describe that beast makes Gaston jealous, so he leads the town people to invade the beast's cattle. When Belly rushes back to the kettle, the beast had been wounded. She realizes that she has fallen in love with him. How was the story? Must inform.